How to fix iPhone camera won't focus up close is a common issue many iPhone users face, and it can be frustrating when you are trying to capture a close-up shot. To begin with, make sure your iPhone camera lens is clean. As dirt or smudges can cause focusing problems, use a soft cloth to gently wipe the lens and try taking a close-up shot again. If cleaning the lens does not work, try resetting the camera app by double-tapping the home button and swiping up on the camera app to close it. Then restart your iPhone by pressing and holding the sleep-wake button until the slide to power off option appears. Then slide to power off and press and hold the sleep-wake button again until the Apple logo appears. Another reason your iPhone camera may not be focusing up close is because of the camera's autofocus feature. Try tapping on the screen where you want to focus to manually adjust the focus. You can also use the AAF lock feature by tapping and holding on the screen until AAF lock appears. This will lock the focus and exposure. Additionally, if you are using a case or screen protector, try removing it to see if it is interfering with the camera's ability to focus. Some cases or screen protectors can block the camera lens or affect the autofocus feature. If none of the above steps work, it is possible that there is a hardware issue with your iPhone camera. In this case, you may need to visit an Apple store or authorized service provider to have your camera repaired or replaced. It is also worth noting that the iPhone camera has a minimum focusing distance, which means it may not be able to focus on objects that are too close. The minimum focusing distance for the iPhone camera is around 10 to 15 centimeters. So if you are trying to take a close-up shot of an object that is closer than this, the camera may not be able to focus. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to fix the issue of your iPhone camera not focusing up close and take high quality close-up shots with your iPhone.